Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.